Wipe coding, the mystical art of typing English at a glowing box and praying to the silicon gods. We have officially reached an era where knowing how a simple for loop works is completely optional. I mean, think about it. Just 2 years ago, developer actually had to read documentation, yes, gross, and today you just boot up Cursor, smash Command K and Command Claude to build a scalable SaaS that prints money, and the crazy part is it kind of listens. In 30 seconds, the AI spit out 800 lines of beautiful indented spaghetti code. You feel invincible. You are officially a 10x developer, right up until the compiler scream at you because the AI hallucinated and added dependency that died in 2018. Now, where do we host this absolute masterpiece? Not Firebase, we aren't peasants. We hook it up to Supabase because we like Postgres and we love pretending we know how to scale relational databases. But let's be honest, the true vibe coding experience isn't the first magical generation. It's the 3-hour downward spiral of aggressive prompting, fix this bug, and bro, what did you do to my authentication flow? Until you completely lose your mind and just write that damn SQL query yourself. But hey, that Twitter thread claiming you built $1 million startup in 12 minutes using an 10 and sheer vibe coding, that is actually going viral. At the end of the day, farming impressions is what software engineering is really all about. That has been 100 seconds of vibe coding. Drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next prompt.